able to see us and hear us right now simultaneously. We are live on two channels: Creatrix channel for electrical ECIN and Computer Science channel by Ravindra Babu Ravula sir. So guys, first of all, tell me, how is everybody? How is everybody? Are you guys enjoying your preparation or not? Quickly tell me. Everybody enjoying their preparation or not? Come on, everybody. I can see only a few people have joined, guys. This is not great. This is not good. Come on, everybody. Share as much as possible, guys. Share as much as possible. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप लोग शेयर कर देंगे. Everybody like the video, share the video. And today we have with us Vishal Soni sir. And if the computer science people haven't met him before, let me tell you, sir is a legend in EC. He has cracked ESE examination twice from ECE branch, both times in double digit rank. So I welcome Vishal Soni sir in this new launch, in this new educator launch.
So
welcome sir.
So hello everyone, very good evening. And first of all, everyone share this video because this is going to be a very important session for every student community, because you are going to meet a person who will be interacting very soon with you. So we are just waiting for the right crowd. If you haven't shared the session, kindly share this session, and hopefully you must have understood that this session is going to give you a lot of new informations, lot of new upcoming events that is going to happen very soon, and all the student community is going to be benefited with this. So be ready with this. And immediately, as I can see on the Creatrix channel, there are only 115 people. So kindly share this session, because once you share this session, once the people join, then that will be the starting part of this session. Okay.
So everybody, we are waiting for more people to join, guys. This is going to impact your preparation in a really huge way. The educator that you are going to meet is going to revolutionize your preparation, and you guys are absolutely going to love him. You guys are absolutely going to go mad once you meet him. So come on everybody, come on everybody. The educator that we are going to meet is for all the branches. That is what I am telling. This launch is for all the branches, but sir will immediately start teaching on Creatrix channel and Unacademy Computer Science by RBR. He'll go live on both the channels very soon, and that is why this launch event is being conducted on two channels. Come on everybody. Can you guess the subject at least? Can you guess the subject? Can you start guessing the subject? यार अब इससे ज्यादा हिंट देना तो नहीं बनता. We can't give you any more hint. Can you guys start guessing the subject? Come on everyone. Please start guessing the subject, everybody. Come on, come on, come on. As I can see, many people are joining, but still, yeah, crowd is not up to the mark. You guys are disappointing a bit. Okay, that is not at all good. Please share the session as much as possible. Then only this is going to be a huge event. Come on, everyone.
So let me tell you everyone that the teacher who is going to be launched is new to the platform. So he is not someone who is already teaching. As I can see, many people are telling some teachers who are already present on the Unacademy platform. So let me tell you that he is coming on the Unacademy platform for the very first time. So you have to be ready for him, and the content, the knowledge, and the personality that he's having, that you are everyone is going to be basically attached to him, and start getting the benefit from the end of this session. So as this session ends, you will be starting to get the content from him, and a lot of motivation, a lot of persona around him is going to basically give you a lot of confidence in the upcoming whatever may be the goal you are going to achieve. Fine.
So guys, people on Computer Science channel is asking where is RBR. So guys, RBR sir also wanted to be here, but basically he is busy in a plus class. His plus class starts at 6 p.m. daily, and we wanted to meet this educator as soon as possible. We wanted to launch him as soon as possible, and hence he could not be here. But definitely sir is also going to be taking a joint session with the new educator that we are launching, and you will see more joint sessions in the near future. Okay. So I hope I have explained you why RBR sir is not here, because he's taking a plus class. So don't be worried, guys. Don't be worried. We are here to meet a new educator that will immediately start teaching on both the channels. So come on, guys. Tell me, everybody, are you guys excited? Are you guys excited or not? Come on, come on, come on, guys. So let us give a hint to the students. Let us give a hint to the student. The educator that you are going to meet is a huge motivator. He is a legendary motivator. The motivational sessions are exceptional. The kind of life lessons that you get are exceptional, out of the box completely. Now, can you tell who is coming? Now, can you tell, guys? Come on, everybody. Now, can you tell? अरे बाबा, अब तो बहुत अच्छा आपको मैंने हिंट दे दिया है. आई हैव गिवन यू द ग्रेटेस्ट हिंट पॉसिबल. चलो, लेट मी गिव यू मोर हिंट्स. नो इश्यूज. गेस थ्रू द सिंबल्स. कम ऑन, गेस थ्रू द सिंबल्स. द नेम इज हिडन इन द सिंबल्स. नाउ एक्चुअली आई रिकॉग्नाइज सर. पहले मैंने भी देखा था तो आई वाज नॉट एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज कि ये हो क्या रहा है.
मतलब अगर टीचर का नाम नहीं पता हो तो थोड़ा सा गेस करना मुश्किल है. अगर पहले से पता है तो जज कर सकते हैं इजीली.
हाँ, but the main thing is, sir, the subject, the question is based on the subject that he is going to teach, and his name is hidden in the question itself.
So before the GATE examination, you are also getting basically practice of your aptitude or something. So this is something which is based on critical thinking. So I hope now you must have understood the name of the teacher. Okay.
Let us give another clue so that it becomes clear to everybody. He is the Bazigar of aptitude, guys. Come on, everyone. Now so you can guess, yaar. Now you can guess. Now is not a very difficult thing to guess. Come on, everyone. Now it is very, very easy for you to guess, guys. Fast, fast, fast. I need more responses. I need more responses. And here we welcome Saurabh Thakur sir. So Saurabh Thakur sir are joining us. Saurabh Thakur sir is joining us. And guys, what we are going to do with Saurabh sir? So Saurabh sir will be starting his own channel with an academy by the name Apti Express. And sir is here with us, so he is here to tell you more about it. So over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Ankit sir. Hello, Ankit sir. Hello, Vishal sir, and hello, everybody. Great to see all of you guys. And we will be starting. I'll be starting the Apti Express channel, YouTube channel, and we're going to start the channel in the first week of February. And meanwhile, from this date, means day after tomorrow, till the end of this month, I'll be taking a GATE-oriented aptitude crash course, and that will be available on YouTube channel, Ankit sir's YouTube channel, that is Creatrix channel, and Ravindra Babu sir channels. So I'll be taking the most important questions that will be really important to all the students, all the aspirants who will be giving GATE, who will be appearing in GATE exam this year, and I'll be covering quant, DI, LR, and verbal. And if you go through these entire sessions, we have already planned like 10 sessions. And in these 10 sessions, I'll be covering all these things. And if you go through all these sessions, categorically, you make notes of all these sessions, then mark my words, you're going to score very, very good marks, irrespective of the fact whether you have started your preparation or not. So this is how things will pan out in the near future, sir.
So what I would like to ask is, basically, sir, aptitude is covered for 15 marks.
Right, sir.
What
Absolutely.
I have seen throughout my journey is people don't take aptitude seriously, and what happens is somebody, even if he is good in technical, then
Right,
also
sir.
they are not able to score that well in aptitude.
Absolutely,
So,
sir.
like in the coming few days, will they be able to score a certain number of marks in aptitude if they have done nothing till now?
Yeah, indeed they will, sir. Because I'll be discussing all these topics which are very, very important in GATE exam. For example, sir, permutation, combination, probability, vocabulary, critical reasoning. These are the things which has been part and parcel of GATE aptitude for the past 10 years. 10 years is the time from which aptitude started to come in GATE exam. And I'll be taking two sessions, one in the morning and one late evening. And I have already planned 10 days. It means it will be 20 sessions, around about 90 minutes. So if anyone who has not started aptitude yet, or he's planning to start right from scratch, even that student will going to score a very good marks. That is my assurance to all the students.
So, guys, one thing let me tell you. Right now, Saurabh sir is with us live from Sydney. And in the past few days, sir has arranged everything to teach you guys from Sydney. And I think he will be one of the first educators on an academy that will be teaching from outside India. Now my question to Vishal sir is, sir, to get a great rank in GATE examination, how many marks at least should a candidate get in aptitude?
Sir, I think the aptitude section which is asked in the GATE exam is basically the section which a person can very easily attempt without putting a lot of efforts in that. For example, if someone is studying machines, so he have to put a lot of efforts, communication, lot of efforts. But in aptitude section, just a right teacher is needed. If a right teacher guides from the very beginning in the correct manner, then in the very least effort, he can basically score a very good marks. So I would also like to ask Saurabh sir, what is your take on this? I mean, what is the difference in the preparation level of the technical subject and a non-technical subject, and what is the importance of the teacher in the aptitude? Because I assume that the importance of the teacher is very critical in case of aptitude, because he can only give you the idea that where you have to put your limits or where you have to put your breaks, because that is very important in aptitude because it is infinite.
Yeah, absolutely, sir. Sir, actually, aptitude and mathematics both these subjects are add-on in GATE exam. GATE is basically a technical paper, and that is why the level of difficulty, the aptitude level of difficulty which comes in GATE exam is not that high. It is not as good as, like, it is not as comparable to CAT or GRE or GMAT. So if anyone who hasn't yet already started the preparation, if any student follows whatever I say in the next 10 days, he will. This is my assurance to the entire student community that they're going to score a very good marks, because what you need is a very superficial idea, but more importantly, we need to cover most of the topics. For example, in quantitative aptitude, the person needs to cover 3-4 topics like permutation, combination, probability, I said, and number system. Time, speed, distance, work and time is one of the topic which has almost always been part of GATE exam. In verbal segments, sir, if we see in verbal segment, critical reasoning, more often than not, GATE has started giving critical reasoning questions, and that too in 2 marks. And sir, vocabulary. Earlier in GATE exam, they used to give tough words, but these days, for example, IIT Guwahati has given 2018 paper. In that paper, they've asked the difference between break and break, BREAK, BRAKE, complement. These are called English usage in CAT and different exams. These are very beautiful exams. These are very beautiful questions which have been crafted by IIT. It's a fantastic question. But at the very same time, if a student gives 20-22 hours, it's a very good, the duration is good enough to secure at least 10 plus marks for someone who have not yet started preparing for aptitude. And someone who's got a very good basic idea, if someone has got even a basic slightest of the idea of aptitude, if the person goes through the entire course of mine, what we've decided, I think the person is going to get more than 12 marks in aptitude, and that can give him a great advantage.
So
yes,
sir.
A follow-up question here.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Basically, what is the motivation behind Apti Express channel, and what can student expect from that channel?
Absolutely, great question, sir. Sir, in Apti Express, we have interacted, sir, like you, Abhishek sir, and each one of us, we have interacted with so many students, and the common, the concern of the student community is, sir, if I'm preparing for aptitude, and if I'm giving exam like GATE, ESE, or Bank, SSC, CAT, all those exams, wherever aptitude comes, is there any one-stop solution to that? So the basic idea behind this, the basic vision behind this, FT Express YouTube channel is, we're going to create one-stop solution. Over there, any student, any exam where aptitude is part of the exam, will create different folders, different playlists. For example, if a student wants to prepare for GATE or ESE or Bank or SSC, whatever aptitude comes, will make different folders, and anyone who's a genuine, a serious aspirant can come to the channel, can subscribe to the channel, and can avail the benefit. So we're going to provide almost everything, right from quant DI, data interpretation, logical reasoning, verbal, and most importantly, I believe current affairs. Because I personally believe if a person is a very good reader, they can crack any exam. Any aspirant who's a good reader is good enough to crack any competitive exam, irrespective of the fact which exam the person is targeting.
So guys, as I told earlier also, one thing is for sure that this year we are going to cover the placement part for the college students as well. The one link that we launched for that was RBR sir, and the second part in that puzzle, the second piece of that puzzle is Saurabh Thakur sir, because for campus placement we need basically two things. One is the basic idea about the programming, and the second is the aptitude. So what we wanted to create for quite a long time is a one-stop solution for aptitude, whether it is SSC, GATE, CAT, any exam whatsoever. And we wanted an educator that can lead that revolution, a single one-stop solution for aptitude. And but what we got was more than what we expected, what we were looking out for, because not only an aptitude trainer, sir is a great motivator and he gives you great life lessons as well. And you can expect a lot of motivational videos coming up in the near future. Daily dose of motivation will continue across our channels, and you guys are never ever going to feel down, and your preparation level is going to go just the next level. So, sir, what can the students expect in terms of motivation and all? Like right now, many students are very depressed, like they will not be able to crack the examination. They are thinking
Right.
about leaving the examination. What you can say about them?
Absolutely, sir. It's another fantastic question, sir. I'm a very firm believer of like we are powerful beyond measures, and we create the ceiling, we create the floor for ourselves. Everything in this world is perspective, sir. The time which is gone, that time is done and dusted. But at the same time, we need to realize whatever amount of time we have, irrespective of the fact if a student is, for example, if I am a student, irrespective of the fact whether I have prepared till date or not, that's not important. I am very firm believer of the fact that fight is everything. From today onwards, if a student start preparing, at least once he appeared in the exam, he can comes out of the examination room and he can say that at least I've given my best, at least I've tried. If a student is really audacious enough, if a person really works hard for something, for his dreams, for his aspirations, nobody can stop an individual. So, like, wherever you are, whatever you have done in the past, this is my message to the student community. Wherever you are, whatever you've done in the past, irrespective of the fact whether you have been honest to your dreams, to your aspirations or not, my earnest request to all of you, this is the time to reclaim your life, to reclaim your dream, to reclaim your aspirations. And from today onwards, let's make a move on, because life is to move on.
And guys, those of you who are asking about the channel name is Apti Express. And one more question I would like to ask Vishal sir is, sir, how is this idea about one-stop solution for entire aptitude? How does it sound to you, and how relevant is it to the students?
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं ये बता दूं कि जो भी कंटेंट आने वाला है, ऐसा क्रिएट्रिक्स चैनल वाले नहीं सोचें कि उनके लिए कंटेंट नहीं आएगा. जो भी कंटेंट आएगा, एप्टीट्यूड इज अ मिक्स ऑफ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश, तो यू विल बी गेटिंग द कंटेंट इन दैट मैनर ऑल्सो, है ना. तो आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि ये कंटेंट आपके लिए नहीं या फिर सिर्फ इंग्लिश वाले बच्चों के लिए. द कंटेंट विल बी इन कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैनर, तो आपको भी वहां से बेनिफिट मिलेगा. सो इफ एनीवन इज हैविंग दिस आइडिया, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी क्लियर दिस थिंग. Second important thing is one-stop solution basically enables a student that he or she can access all the courses at a single platform. Because what is the critical need that in the past 6 or 8 months we have feel or we have experienced that maybe the content is very much in the random manner, it is very much scattered. Student have to go to different platforms. For example, someone is teaching quant, so they are following on that particular channel. Someone is teaching logical reasoning in some certain manner, so they are following on that particular portion. So this channel will give you one-stop solution. There we will be getting the quant in the same format, in the same manner in which you will be getting the logical reasoning, kind of all the things you will be getting on the single platform, and at the same time exam oriented. And the teacher will also tell you that where you have to stop the breaks, because once you go deeper into the subjects, you do not know where you have to stop. Because to crack a competitive exam, it is more important that where you have to stop, क्योंकि आप start तो कर देते हैं, but आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए रुकना कहाँ पे है, और यहीं पे रोल आता है टीचर का. that I firmly believe that a teacher always guides you, always gives you the boundary that where you have to retain yourself, where you have to refrain yourself, and at the same time the things that you have to study, how many times you can revise it and how many times you can go into it. And I would also like to ask Saurabh sir, I mean, just put a light on this, that how much it is important that what not to be studied to clear a certain exams. I mean, what is the nature of a certain exam? Some exams does not need a certain kind of concept. So how you are going to deal with it?
फैंटास्टिक क्वेश्चन सर. विशाल सर, आपने जो एक बात कही मैं उसको भी थोड़ा सा ले लेता हूँ उस पॉइंट को. इस चैनल पे एप्टी एक्सप्रेस में एवरीथिंग विल बी बाइलिंगुअल, सो विल बी कवरिंग हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश मीडियम ऑडियंस, दैट इज फॉर श्योर. सो अगर आप में से जो भी बच्चे ये सोच रहे होंगे सर हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स को कवर करेंगे कि नहीं या इंग्लिश मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स, लिंग्विस्टिक्स विल नॉट बी अ बार. इफ यू आर अ जेन्युइन एस्पायरेंट, इफ यू रेडी टू फाइट, इफ यू आर रेडी टू रिक्लेम योर ड्रीम्स, वी आर देयर फॉर यू, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. Irrespective of the fact which language you want to study, Hindi हो चाहे English हो, will be there. And sir, जहाँ तक की बात आती है इसकी, let us take for example, so the kind of reading comprehension comes, and the reading comprehension question comes in CAT. It might be possible, for example, let us suppose अभी इतना कोरोना फैला हुआ, let's take कोरोना for an example. Pfizer की वैक्सीन आ गई सर, मॉडर्न है, उसमें mRNA पे बात हो रही है. नॉर्वे में अनफॉर्चुनेटली इतने सारे डिवाइसेस हो गए. So let us suppose किसी एग्जाम में आज से 1 साल के बाद they give a reading comprehension passage that is dedicated to corona situation or COVID situation. They have discussed about China, they have discussed about Wuhan, Taiwan, and how South Korea fought, how Australia fought, and you know how New Zealand fought, and about the vaccines like Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca, and then Johnson and Johnson. This sounds resounding. This sounds scintillating paragraph to a CAT aspirant. But exactly the very same question cannot be that important to a GATE aspirant. For example, GRE में को क्या आपका वर्ड पूछ ले, skullduggery. Why the skullduggery is important to a GATE student? Skullduggery probably will not be the right kind of word to ask in a GATE exam or even in an SSC exam. Although SSC में वो क्या काफी अच्छी आती है. So the point is, जो आपने बोला कि we need to understand the limit of the exam, that is extremely important because at times we exhaust ourselves, and that is what the objective behind the FT Express is. We'll create playlists, we'll create folders. For example, if you want to appear for GATE, there will be a different playlist for you. Go and watch all those videos which are related to you. If you want to appear for SSC, अगर आप SSC की परीक्षा देना चाहते हैं, चाहे कोई भी हो, CGL, CHSL, CPO, कुछ भी हो, बैंक का एग्जाम देना चाहते हैं, प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर, क्लरिकल, everything. It will take time. We have already formed a team. You will see, in near future, आप और भी members को देखेंगे, and we're going to have a great team, and the content will be fantastic. That's my promise to each one of you.
तो बच्चों जैसा सर ने बताया, he is going to create different playlists for different examination. So now whether you are preparing for GRE, CAT, GATE, or even your campus placements, you are going to find all the solution in a single location. So sir is going to lead this revolution for an academy, that we are going to set up a single stop solution, and we are going to set up a team behind him, and he is personally hand picking the faculties that he would like to be teaching beside him, and he would like you to impart the aptitude knowledge with. Okay, so the team is going to be fantastic, and very soon you are going to meet other members of the team. And guys, as I told, there is not only one surprise for you this month. We'll have multiple surprises. So stay tuned, keep watching, and guys, subscribe to Apti Express, the first ever dedicated channel for all exams aptitude. So anything at last you would like to add, sir?
That is it, sir. Means irrespective of the fact कि आपने अभी तक effort दिया है कि नहीं, that does not matter. That is not important. मतलब all the time, the past is already done and dusted. One life we should fight more. One life dream more. One life aspire more. So यहाँ से वापस पढ़ना शुरू कर दीजिए. We always get second chance in life. यहाँ से पढ़ना शुरू कीजिए. Whatever time you are left with, make sure that you give very best of yourself. And whatever you come across, everything in this world is perspective. We should not become prisoner of someone else's opinion. जिसने भी आपको बोला होगा कि आप अच्छा नहीं कर सकते, आपको कभी खुद भी लगा होगा, forget about all those things. Start preparing, start working hard. At the end of the day, जब हम सोने जाए, we should say to ourselves, I fought a good fight and I'm proud of myself. That is the most important thing, I believe.
Any last words from you, Vishal sir?
So my suggestion to everyone is that kindly subscribe this channel, because this channel is going to be the biggest and the most I would say the content you will be getting the free, and this will be the biggest as well as at the same time the best content you will be getting on this channel, absolutely free of cost. So this will enable you to different exams, even if you're in the first year or you in the second year, you can start studying the aptitude from the very beginning, क्योंकि aptitude पढ़ने के लिए कोई सही उम्र, कोई भी सही ईयर या फिर कोई सही टाइम नहीं होता. आप आज से aptitude पढ़ना स्टार्ट करिए, because it is going to help you in every aspect of your life. आप चाहे दुकान से सामान खरीदने जाओगे या फिर आप किसी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में जाओगे, it is going to help you in every dimension of your life. So start following the aptitude, start sharing this session with your juniors, with your seniors, with your colleagues, because this is going to be the biggest channel of the aptitude ever made, and absolutely free of cost for everyone.
And one more thing, guys, as sir has told, you should not forget from day after tomorrow, 8 a.m. and 10 p.m., your daily dose of motivation as well as daily dose of aptitude for the remaining few days, so that you guys get at least more than 12 marks in the GATE examination in aptitude section. So stay tuned. He'll be teaching live on both the channels, Creatrix channel and GATE lectures by RBR. And from first week of February, the Apti Express channel will be completely functional, though the videos will be going on to that channel right away, but it will be completely functional with the entire team from the first week of February. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and keep watching the videos. Stay motivated and crack GATE exam with the top ranks. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.